What if everything we know about reality is just the tip of the iceberg? What if the truths we hold dear are only fragments of a much larger, more complex picture? Throughout history, there have been individuals who dared to ask these questions and, in doing so, reshaped the way we see the universe. These visionaries, scientists, philosophers, and dreamers, challenged the limits of human understanding, offering us glimpses into a world beyond our senses. In this video, we'll explore the transformative power of revolutionary ideas and the minds that dared to think differently. From Albert Einstein's profound theories of spacetime to Nikola Tesla's audacious dreams of harnessing limitless energy, and Alan Turing's pioneering work on computation and artificial intelligence, these figures not only altered our scientific frameworks but also invited us to question the nature of existence itself. This exploration is more than just a history lesson. It's an invitation to see how the union of science, philosophy, and even spirituality can open new doors to understanding our place in the universe. By delving into their stories, we'll uncover not just the challenges they faced but also the enduring lessons they left behind. Lessons that inspire us to embrace curiosity as the ultimate tool for discovery. We're living in a time when questions about parallel universes, the origins of consciousness, and the potential of artificial intelligence are no longer confined to science fiction. They are at the forefront of human exploration. What makes these questions so captivating is the same quality that drove these visionaries: the insatiable desire to understand the unknown. As we journey through their lives and ideas, you may find yourself wondering, what mysteries of the universe remain unsolved? And more importantly, what role could your own curiosity play in unraveling them? Every groundbreaking idea has its roots in a moment of disruption, a challenge to the status quo that forces humanity to reconsider what it believes to be true. History is punctuated by such moments, where bold thinkers questioned the unshakable truths of their time and reshaped entire paradigms. The Renaissance marked one of the earliest and most profound turning points in this journey. It was during this period that thinkers like Nicholas Copernicus and Galileo Galilei dared to challenge the geocentric model of the universe, a concept deeply embedded in both science and religion. Copernicus's heliocentric theory placed the sun, rather than the Earth, at the center of the universe, a radical idea that faced fierce opposition but eventually laid the groundwork for modern astronomy. Galileo, with his telescopic observations, confirmed this model, risking persecution to advocate for a truth that others refused to see. Then came Isaac Newton, whose discoveries in the late 17th century brought a sense of order and predictability to the cosmos. Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation described a universe governed by mathematical principles, an elegant clockwork of forces and interactions. His work not only revolutionized physics but also influenced philosophy, as it suggested a world that could be understood through reason and observation. But the pursuit of knowledge wasn't limited to science. It intertwined with spirituality and philosophy. René Descartes, often called the father of modern philosophy, sought to reconcile the physical and metaphysical. His famous proposition, cogito, ergo sum, I think, therefore I am, highlighted the role of doubt and questioning in the search for truth. Descartes saw the universe as a duality, material and spiritual, reflecting a desire to unite scientific exploration with existential inquiry. What these thinkers shared was a willingness to embrace uncertainty. They were not deterred by the limitations of their era, whether it was the lack of advanced tools, societal resistance, or even persecution. Their courage to question established norms set the stage for the revolutionary ideas that followed in centuries to come. This historical backdrop reminds us of an essential truth: every great leap forward begins with a moment of doubt. These visionaries questioned the foundations of their reality and, in doing so, opened pathways for new discoveries. From their work emerged a legacy that would inspire countless others to push the boundaries of what humanity could know and understand. As we move forward, we'll explore the lives of individuals who carried this legacy into the modern era, visionaries whose insights continue to shape the way we perceive the universe today. Albert Einstein, the architect of modern physics. Albert Einstein is a name synonymous with genius, yet his journey to becoming one of the most influential figures in science was far from straightforward. At the turn of the 20th century, physics seemed to have reached a plateau. Classical mechanics, established by Newton, provided answers to most phenomena observed at the time. But Einstein's relentless curiosity led him to question the underlying assumptions of space, time, and energy. In 1905, Einstein published his Annus Mirabilis papers, revolutionizing physics. His special theory of relativity introduced the world to the equation E equals mc squared, demonstrating that energy and mass are interchangeable. Later, his general theory of relativity described gravity not as a force, but as the curvature of spacetime caused by massive objects. These ideas not only redefined physics but also expanded our understanding of the universe's fabric, from black holes to the Big Bang. Einstein's vision wasn't limited to equations. He believed in the interconnectedness of all things, often reflecting on the philosophical implications of his work. Despite facing skepticism and political adversity, including fleeing Nazi Germany, Einstein's resilience and intellectual daring reshaped science forever. Nikola Tesla, the visionary beyond his time. If Einstein illuminated the mysteries of the universe, Nikola Tesla sought to harness its power. Tesla, a Serbian-American inventor and engineer, dreamed of a world powered by limitless, free energy. His pioneering work in alternating current, AC, electricity laid the foundation for modern electrical grids, yet Tesla's ambitions extended far beyond practical applications. Tesla envisioned transmitting energy wirelessly across great distances. His experiments with the Tesla coil hinted at possibilities that seemed more like science fiction than reality. He believed that energy could be extracted from the Earth's atmosphere, potentially erasing global dependency on fossil fuels. While his ideas were often dismissed as impractical, modern research into wireless power transfer and renewable energy owes much to his foresight. Despite his brilliance, Tesla's eccentricity and lack of financial acumen left him marginalized. He spent his later years in relative obscurity, though his influence is now widely recognized. Tesla's story is a testament to the challenges faced by those who dream beyond their time, a reminder that visionary thinking often comes at a personal cost. Alan Turing, decoding the future. Alan Turing's name is inseparable from the foundations of computer science and artificial intelligence. During World War II, Turing played a critical role in breaking the German Enigma code, a feat that is credited with shortening the war by years and saving countless lives. Yet, his contributions extend far beyond wartime heroics. Turing's concept of the universal machine, now known as the Turing machine, laid the groundwork for modern computing. He was among the first to question whether machines could think, sparking debates that continue to influence AI development today. His philosophical and mathematical insights bridged the gap between the mechanical and the conceptual, raising questions about the nature of intelligence itself. Tragically, Turing faced persecution for his homosexuality, which was criminalized in 1950s Britain. Despite his untimely death, Turing's legacy endures, symbolizing not only the power of intellectual innovation but also the resilience required to challenge societal norms. A shared legacy of visionary thinking. What unites Einstein, Tesla, and Turing is their refusal to accept the limitations of their time. They saw the world not as it was, but as it could be, a mindset that demanded not only intellectual brilliance but also immense personal courage. Each of them faced resistance, whether from scientific communities, societal structures, or political regimes. Yet, their willingness to challenge convention has left an indelible mark on humanity. These stories remind us that progress often requires stepping into the unknown. The breakthroughs they achieved were not just leaps in science and technology but profound shifts in how we perceive the universe and our role within it. As we transition into the next chapter, we'll explore the tools and technologies that continue to expand the boundaries of human understanding, tools that owe their existence to the foundational work of these visionaries. The boundaries of human perception. Human senses are extraordinary yet inherently limited. Our eyes perceive only a narrow slice of the electromagnetic spectrum, visible light. Our ears detect vibrations within a specific frequency range, leaving most sounds inaudible. Even our ability to interpret spatial dimensions is constrained to 3, while theoretical physics suggests there may be many more. These natural limitations shape our understanding of reality, creating a filtered version of the universe that is far from complete. Take, for instance, the concept of gravity. For centuries, gravity was observed and described by its effects, but its true nature eluded us until the development of advanced theories and tools. Similarly, phenomena like dark matter and dark energy, estimated to make up about 95% of the universe, remain invisible and undetectable by our senses. These examples highlight how much of the cosmos lies beyond our immediate grasp. The role of technology in expanding horizons. To overcome these limitations, humanity has developed tools that extend our reach far beyond what nature provides. Telescopes and microscopes were among the first instruments to open new windows into the universe. Today, technological advancements have taken this exploration to unimaginable scales. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, the world's most powerful particle accelerator, exemplifies this leap. Located at CERN in Switzerland, the LHC allows scientists to study the fundamental particles that make up the universe by recreating conditions similar to those moments after the Big Bang. Discoveries such as the Higgs boson, often referred to as the God particle, have provided critical insights into the forces governing matter and energy. Similarly, space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope have revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. By capturing infrared light, it peers through dense clouds of gas and dust to reveal the formation of stars and galaxies billions of light-years away. These instruments do more than capture images. They challenge and refine the theories that underpin modern cosmology. Closer to home, advances in artificial intelligence, AI, have become pivotal in scientific discovery. AI systems can analyze vast datasets to uncover patterns and correlations that humans might overlook. For example, AI algorithms are now used to identify potential exoplanets by analyzing data from missions like NASA's Kepler. In medicine, AI assists in mapping the human brain, advancing our understanding of consciousness and cognition. The philosophical intersection, science and spirituality. As these tools uncover new dimensions of reality, they also bring us closer to age-old philosophical and spiritual questions. The discovery of multiple dimensions, for instance, aligns intriguingly with concepts from Eastern philosophies, which often describe reality as layered and multifaceted. Theories like the multiverse, which propose the existence of parallel universes, resonate with ancient spiritual notions of infinite possibilities and interconnectedness. Quantum mechanics, too, straddles this boundary. The idea that particles can exist in multiple states until observed challenges traditional notions of objectivity. It evokes parallels with philosophical discussions about the role of consciousness in shaping reality. While science and spirituality have historically been seen as opposing forces, modern discoveries suggest they may be two lenses through which we view the same ultimate truth. From exploration to transformation, the tools and theories that expand our understanding of the universe also have profound implications for our lives. By realizing the extent of our limitations, we are reminded of the importance of humility in the face of the unknown. At the same time, the ability to overcome those limitations through innovation reveals the boundless potential of human ingenuity. But exploration is not just about the pursuit of knowledge, it's about transformation. The visionaries and tools discussed here challenge us not only to think differently but to live differently. They encourage us to question assumptions, embrace uncertainty, and foster a sense of wonder about the universe and our place within it. As we move to the conclusion, we'll reflect on the enduring lessons from these advancements and consider how they inspire us to take the next steps in our collective journey of discovery. The universe is vast, mysterious, and largely beyond our comprehension, but throughout history, humanity has never ceased to ask bold questions and seek answers. From the groundbreaking theories of Albert Einstein to the audacious dreams of Nikola Tesla and the pioneering work of Alan Turing, we've seen how individual visionaries have reshaped our understanding of existence. They were not merely scientists or inventors. They were explorers of reality itself, challenging boundaries and daring to imagine what lies beyond the visible. Their stories remind us of the duality of human limitation and potential. Our senses and minds may be inherently constrained, yet we have developed tools and theories that allow us to transcend those limits. Technologies like the Large Hadron Collider and the James Webb Space Telescope continue to extend our reach into the unknown, while artificial intelligence opens pathways to insights that would have been unimaginable just decades ago. These innovations, inspired by the work of past visionaries, serve as bridges between the seen and unseen, the known and the speculative. Beyond the technological and scientific, this journey also invites us to consider deeper existential and philosophical questions. Are we mere observers of a deterministic universe, or do our consciousness and curiosity play an active role in shaping reality? The convergence of science and spirituality suggests that the answers may not lie in one domain alone, but in a synthesis of perspectives. A reminder that understanding the universe requires not only knowledge but also imagination and humility. As this exploration concludes, one truth becomes evident. Progress is not solely the result of intelligence or innovation. It is driven by the willingness to question, to wonder, and to persevere despite adversity. Visionaries like Einstein, Tesla, and Turing remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is as much a personal journey as it is a collective one. So, what's next? As new discoveries emerge and the boundaries of our understanding continue to expand, the challenge now lies with us. How will we contribute to this legacy of exploration? What mysteries remain to be uncovered, and what roles might we play in unraveling them? In the spirit of the great thinkers who came before, let this video serve as an invitation to be curious, to embrace the unknown, and to dare to imagine a world beyond the limits of today.